Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to open up a port using Windows Firewall. And this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in Windows Defender Firewall. Best match should come back with that exact same verbiage. So go ahead and just open that up. Select on the left side Advanced Settings. Go ahead and just left click on that one time. And now you want to select Inbound Rules up at the top left. Just left click on that. And now you want to locate the New Rule button over here on the far right side. It says, what type of rule would you like to create? Select Port. Rule that controls connections for TCP or UDP port. Go ahead and select Next. At this point, you want to go keep it at TCP or UDP, obviously, depending on what you want to use it for. Most people probably be TCP is the applicable one you want to keep there. And then you could also specify local ports if it says, does this rule apply to all local ports or specific local ports? So you can go ahead and select that if you choose to do so. If you have a specific port, that's where you type it in, which is honestly probably what most of you guys would do. I'm just going to select all local ports because I'm indifferent just in this tutorial walkthrough. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and select Next. You want to make sure it says allow the connection. This includes connections that are protected with IPsec as well as those that are not. Go ahead and select Next. Where does this rule apply? Again, you can change this so domain, private, or public network. You know, you guys can make up those decisions on your own. Go ahead and select Next. At this point, you can name it whatever you want. So if it's a significant port, so let's just say printer for some reason. I mean, it could be anything pretty much under the sun. But we're going to go ahead and select Finish. And once that is done, there should be a new rule in here. You can see our printer name. That's what we named it. So pretty straightforward process. You would do the same thing with the outbound rules. It's the same process if you just went underneath outbound rules, so I'm not going to bore you guys going through that, but again, very straightforward process. And in the event you want to delete that rule at some point, you just can right click on it and select delete or disable, whatever you prefer, and just select yes to delete it, and there you go. Simple as that. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.